Hi Taurus, welcome. So let's see what's going on with your love life this December. This reading is you versus them. So the energy, your energy towards the person that you're dealing with. So you need to deal with someone here, okay? This reading is for the people that they have someone on their mind, okay? So let's see. Is for Taurus Sun Moon Rising Venus signs. Let's see Taurus energy towards the person that they're dealing with. So Taurus, please keep in mind that this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate. Okay, take what resonates or come back again for another new reading. Okay, for Taurus, energy towards the person that they're dealing with. Wow, what's happening, Taurus? Five of Swords, Eight of Cups, and the Page of Wands in the reverse. So I'm feeling that you are stopping communication because of some disappointment here that happened in what happening right now, maybe. Okay, there's a mind game playing here, mind game playing. You're getting headache towards this person, so you're trying to detach, okay? Walk away emotionally, walk away, detach from this person, and you're stopping. For some of you, you block this person. You got argument, you got uh in a fight, okay, and you walk away and you block communication block here, or you want to block this person, okay? You're not replying also for others of you because I'm feeling that they're playing mind games, or you feel that this person playing mind games. Okay, yeah, you're getting headache here. It's like I don't want to deal with them right now. That kind of energy. Okay, so you're detaching and you're blocking. Okay, you're blocking your emotions, your heart also here. So let's see the person that you're dealing with. You could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. So the person that Taurus is dealing with, what's their energy towards Taurus? What's their energy? The person that Taurus is dealing with. Wow, Three of Swords. Okay. King of Pentacles, you could be dealing with another earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. And the Tower in the reverse. Hmm. This person don't want to end this, okay? Their heartbreaking. There's a heartbreak here. Okay, the tower is in the reverse. They feel that uh there's unfinished business here. They don't want to end the. I don't know. For some of you, you are in a long-term relationship with this person. Okay, they just don't want to let this go, and their heartbreak. They're in pain. Okay, this person is very sad, very. Maybe for some, this person prioritize their work more than you. That's the reason why you are detaching from this person. But they don't want to end this, okay? This connection with you, this relationship with you. They don't want. You could be dealing with Scorpio also. Let's see the connecting energy. Taurus and the person that they're dealing with. Connecting energy. The strength, Leo energy. The devil, Capricorn energy. The Five of Cups in the reverse. Mm, okay, so you're holding back, the both of you holding back, but you're both obsessed with each other. There's something in the past that you cannot forgive, or this person cannot forgive. That's the reason why. Okay, the mm, the past need to release here. Something about the past that they're still holding on to that past remorse or past pain that uh, someone is feeling here. They still cannot forget that, forgive. But the both of you is, yeah, there's a toxic energy here that the both of you is connecting or okay, there's obsession for some, okay, and also pride, being stubborn also is the blockage here. You both are stubborn. I'm feeling that. And cannot forget. I'm feeling the cannot forgive what happened, what they did to you or what you did to them. Something about in the past. Okay? So let's get the message from the Lovers Oracle for Taurus and the person that they're dealing with. Secret admirer. Someone has deeper feelings for you than they are letting on. Okay, so this person could not express this to you, Taurus, or the both of you are not expressing your feelings. But yeah, someone here have deeper feelings than they're letting you know, or vice versa. Wow, that's too many. Let's get one more. Thank you. Deep in your heart, you already know the answer. Do what feels right. Some power struggles here. I'm feeling okay, not uh true to themselves. Someone is not true to themselves here. They're telling something, but they feel different. Okay, I'm feeling that. So that's it. I hope it resonates for some of you out there. If it resonates, please do like, share, follow, and bye. Thank you.